By Coulls Inlet's waters wide, fish lanterns glow at eventide. Orange white the twinkling show, tusk fish gleam in twilight's glow. Stars at sea, on poles they dance. Shadows flee in twilight's trance from the sun's last loving kiss, a spectacle of watery bliss. Breezes mild, the spring's embrace, lanterns sway with gentle grace. With the waves and gusts they play, in springtime's trust they dance away. Wave and wind a gentle choir, music of the world inspire. Nature's breath a soft caress, in this dance we find our rest. Come and see as night descends, how light and water are friends. On Coull's shore a festive sight, life to art and radiant light.